Let's look at how to create an avatar inside Teams. Here I am in Teams, and I'm going to add in the avatar app. Down the left hand side, click on the three dots and do a quick search for avatar. Here's the app, and now we can use it inside Teams. I've created 2 avatars previously. Let's create one from scratch and see how the process works. I'll create from photo. Here I am in my home office. Let's capture my image for my avatar. Choose a skin tone, and here's the result. I'm not too sure about this, but let's follow the process. We'll choose this one here and we'll click next. It's a little bit like playing The Sims if you've ever done that before. You can choose your outfit, try on different styles. You can customize your face shape. You can change your hair color and your hairstyle too. And regardless of the gender of your avatar, there's a whole full suite of makeup tools available as well. When you're finished customizing, your avatar will be available for your next Teams meeting. Choose your avatar and then click Join the Meeting. Now go up to the camera icon and use the drop down arrow, and here you'll find more avatar settings. And this is where you'll find gestures and emotions for your avatar. There's so many to choose from. You'll work out which ones you like best and you can pin them so you've got your top 5 favorite available. As per a usual Teams meeting, you can choose your background. And we've got more avatar settings further down. We can change the avatar's mood with this slider, and we can change the camera angle to get your best angle of your animated self. Now choose this custom background icon. Turn that switch on, and here you'll be able to upload your corporate background. So if your colleagues have a standard background that everyone uses, you'll be able to have the same for your avatar. So to recap, next time you join a Teams meeting with your avatar, go to the drop down arrow, and from in here you'll find your avatar settings, and that's where you'll find the animation. I'll leave you with the robot.